why that view is so small. Let's see if you can see me. Hi, there I am. I wanted to do a really breathy type video with just slow movements and sighs, and I just have had a couple people that comment on the sound of breathing and inhaling and sighs. A lot of people, well, not a lot, I mean, I don't have like a huge, following or anything. Although a while ago, a couple days ago, I reached 300 subscribers, so that was just amazing. Thanks a lot, guys. Y'all are kind of a silent group of people, but at first I was a little bit discouraged by that. I kind of thought, well, maybe people don't like them. And then it hit me that it probably means I'm doing a good job. Maybe that's what I tell myself anyway. Because when I comment on a video, it's always at the end. But hopefully, if you guys are listening to my videos all the way through, and you like them, then you'll be asleep by the end of the video. And you won't be awake to comment. And then I felt great that I feel bad that I'm not putting you to sleep if you're commenting. No, that's not really true. I like comments a lot. There's a bunch of you who comment regularly. Trying to think off the top of my head. The ones who comment almost without fail on all my videos, there's a couple. At some point, I need to make a video. Because I can't remember them exactly now, but I will. If you comment on my videos, there's like 2 or 3 of you, or 4, who comment on like every video. Please know that you guys are amazing. And I will give you the recognition you deserve at some point. So, thank you. And even if you don't comment and you just subscribed or whatever, I'm starting to sound very conceited. But even if you don't, comment or whatever, you just don't do anything, I'm just so happy to have you listening, even though I'm, not really talking about anything. A couple videos that I've been thinking about making. Sorry, I'm all fidgety. A couple videos I've been thinking about making are a roleplay video. I've had a couple requests to do a roleplay video. Like some kind of massage or something. I kind of wanted to do, and sort of like a 1950s style, like husband comes home from work and wife makes them a cup of coffee. They talk. I don't know. I've always loved that sort of thing. And I'm going to make a drawing video, and I'm going to make some more French videos, and I'm going to do a nail painting video, and I don't know, I've got a ton of ideas, and I'm really excited to try them out. And I'm going to find my good camera, and I'm going to make a video on that. I promise I'll stop using the iPhone. And I want to make a really long video. I mean, really long, like half an hour. Oh wait, I can't. I'll make a long one. Because mine are typically, like this one, pretty short. And I want to do some more sounds videos. So if there's something you like, let me know. I've got a video that I made just now, but I won't upload it for a while, where I tap on boxes and unbox things, and there's some nail painting at the end. That's actually about half of it. It's 13 minutes long, I think. I want to make another, like a retainer video. And I want to make one with candy or gum, because I always like videos where whisperers do that. And I don't know, this video is really pointless, but I hope that your holidays are amazing. I hope all of you are still on vacation, living it up. Hopefully someplace tropical. Come down to the south, it's amazing. And please let me know if there's a video you want to see. I don't get like a huge amount of requests or anything, but I always like to hear what people are into,